In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Forte key fob. This key fob here was used between 2010 and 2013, and it takes one CR2032 battery to run. So what we're going to do is we're just going to look to the top of the key fob where you can see there's an indentation. Take a flathead screwdriver or a coin or something that can fit in there that will allow you to twist and separate the two halves of this device. You can just pull it apart with your fingers and set this back part to the side. From here, we just want to push the battery up and out of its housing. You can do that with your fingers or carefully with your screwdriver. Pull out the old battery, get a new one, CR2032. Make sure this positive side with the text, the information, goes face up, and just slide it right back in, all the way into place like that. And that's really all it takes. We're just going to click this back piece back into place, and we are good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for any more information on how to change the batteries for any key fob for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.